The modern town of Beaver is built on the remains of Fort McIntosh, and early settlers of the town likely constructed homes and buildings from the dismantled logs of the fort. Just like the Beaver Area Heritage Foundation's 1802 log house, which we believe were built from the dismantled remains from the fort. So as you can see, the fort gave the town of Beaver its start. Because Fort McIntosh played such a pivotal role in the town's history, the museum board began updating the permanent display of Fort McIntosh over a year ago. Our story hadn't changed, but we needed a way to share it with a new generation, and now we're thrilled to share this display with you.
Since opening 20 years ago, our museum has served as a gathering place for residents and visitors to come and learn about our past. Today, at our exhibit, you will learn why George Washington sent soldiers to build Fort McIntosh during the American Revolution and why he picked General McIntosh for the task. But our tale doesn't end there. After the Revolution, Fort McIntosh would go on to serve as the first peacetime home of the U.S. Army and the site of a major land treaty opening the West to expansion. You will see that the beginning of the story of our town is a relatable one, filled with failure and success as well as worry and hope.
The unveiling of our new exhibit, Fort McIntosh, Arm of Strength, Portrait of Peace, marks the beginning of an exciting future for the Beaver Area Heritage Museum. The digital age offers us more tools than ever to engage with a wide and diverse audience and to share our story. We started with Fort McIntosh, just like our town itself, but we do not intend to stop there. Over the coming years, we'll be updating the rest of our permanent exhibition space, and we welcome you to join us as we continue to find new ways to tell the remarkable story of Beaver.